Hi everyone, I'm Anita from the blog Whispering Pines Homestead. I love Thanksgiving. I love having this special time set aside to reflect and just focus on all my blessings. Let's face it, the last couple years have had their challenges for all of us, but how wonderful it is to be able to just set those aside for a moment and be thankful for the good things. One of the things I am most thankful for is my family, and I really look forward to gathering with them and just celebrating their love and their support. Today, I'm going to share with you my Thanksgiving table setting, and because so many people have asked me, I'm going to show you how I style the wooden box centerpiece. So we're going to start with that, and then I'm going to show you how I lay everything out and how I set my table. So I hope you enjoy watching how I put everything together, and I hope you get some ideas from it. I knew I wanted to use a wooden box for a centerpiece, but I had sold all the ones I made. I found some beautiful fir here, and I made a couple of boxes very similar in size. For this particular centerpiece, I wanted to make a fresh arrangement, so I found some aluminum bread pans that fit perfectly inside and filled those with wet floral foam, and I also put down a plastic bag underneath just to make sure there weren't going to be any leaks. I started by gathering all of the natural elements I wanted to use, including some different kinds of pine, dogwood branches, mountain fire pieris, pine cones, rosemary, magnolia, and I just laid it out on my table so I could kind of see what I had to work with. Oh, and I also gathered at the last minute, I added some azalea branches because they were so colorful. I thought they would look really nice in there as well. So I start this process by just trying to put everything together and see how it looks, and I move things around until I get it exactly how I want it so that it looks good from all sides, and also so that anyone sitting at my table can see over the top of it. I decided to set a really simple table, but use this beautiful flow blue dinnerware. I didn't want anything to compete with it either, so I just chose everyday things. Some everyday napkins because I loved these beautiful fall colors, and some iridescent glassware that I believe I got from Pier 1 probably 15 years ago. I also used a table runner I had that kind of tied all those colors together. For chargers, I kind of went back and forth between a gold painted wood charger and a woven one. I loved how both of them looked, but I really wanted, again, just to keep things simple and not compete with that dinnerware, so I liked the clean lines of the gold one better, and I ended up choosing that one. Y'all all know that I do not really like gold flatware, but several years ago when I saw everybody using it, it kind of like sparked my interest, and I found this beautiful vintage set on eBay. This is Golden Scroll Americana Golden Heritage by International Silver, and I just thought it would be perfect with this table and tie all the warm colors together. Before setting the table, I made sure to iron all of my linens. I really like for things to look nice, and considering that I'm using everyday napkins, just pressing them makes them look nice. What I love about this size box is it's just long enough to make a statement, but it's short enough to put candles, or in my case, oil lamps on each end, and that just kind of extends that statement down the center of the table. And now I'm ready to set my table. Napkin on the left, knife with the blade facing in on the right, fork on the left, and the spoon also to the right of the knife. The glassware goes above the knife. I also like to put a little salt and pepper shaker at every place setting so nobody has to ask for anything to be passed. So let's take a look at the whole table all set and ready for Thanksgiving. I hope you enjoyed that look at how I put everything together for my Thanksgiving table. But of course, the most important part of Thanksgiving is just being thankful and sharing our blessings with those around us, whether it's family or friends or people that we don't know. I love this quote from Charles Dickens: "Reflect upon your present blessings, of which every man has many, not upon your past misfortunes, of which all men have some." Happy Thanksgiving.